Welcome to Soul Jamaica podcast. People, big up on yourself. Right now, it's a big shame and embarrassment when we look at Ireland. Wagwan. How can this be happening to us? You mean to tell me some poor people have to spend 15 million of them hard earned money on tax to pay back for people fault? Now people, it's been a lot of stuff going on and a lot of it out of poor people and but the end of the day is can't abuse your authority like that. It goes back to that. How is it possible where people can hardly send them picnic at school and find food to eat? Barely put clothes on them back. The road not even paved right certain place. And you tell me say $15 million in a tax for investigation. People, a slackness, a pay slackness are going in our country. Wanna think about that? Drop on the comments. Make sure to smash the like and also give the channel a subscribe. It's a brand new channel. So you don't know the thing go. And let's get back to this topic here. Now, for the people we are living at Jamaica, how them are gonna cope with this right now? Back to school just forward. People, this is serious things. People could have just barely afford to send back them picnic at school. Only if you hit with a big tax. That one yeah. No normal. So this is where the country gone to. I guess when you vote, you just vote for it, you get there, brother. You not get what you wish for. It's a sad thing. So my question is, people, awake we need to wake up or them need to treat you better? Because that have to be the question within the question of our God. Is it that we need to wake up, take things to our own hand, and start make certain moves? Because, no, look at it. Them just tell us, them doing a new currency. And the value are still the same. And nobody still not the money. And then, jobs still short. People, how is this possible? If you youth them not no work, mommy still there home, daddy have a man pan him head, a stress. Sister can't even go dance, cause she not got hot, and the money not run. So who I go pay for that $15 million there? That means if your check did already small, Jesus, a judgment. Can you imagine that? And a cancer base. And then when you left there, so, hold on. That's automatically draw from your check, you know. Right? So let's focus now. So when you left there, so now, remember say, you go to supermarket, you still have to pay tax. So da. As far as me see right now, people, for the them best suggestion I see listen to the rest of them and move to Africa, cause right now I'm not seeing other suggestion for it right. You look right down at Africa, grass more greener, sky more clear. Cause brother, I don't know what kind of system what kind of system this bridging where people are ball out for hunger and then only get hit with a bill. with no benefit after the bill. That rough, you know. If you say, yo, I'm hungry, you know, king, and man, I say, yo, I need that money that we have to buy the little food, you know, because I need something else to do. And yeah, I said, Jaja, I'm going to drop down. So the country I go drop down and collapse. One of these very fine days. If them keep pushing the limit like that. Because it's like you got the well. And you drain it. You drain poor people's system. Drain the energy out of poor people, you know. So that not really look bright for you them. But you have to remember, say, back to school. Just forward. Seeing people just recover. Some people still not recover from that yet. But you have to remember, say, youth them is a constant daily. You have to feed them right through. And the youth them so active, them eat a lot. So think about that. You have your youth them to feed. You can barely clothe yourself and pay your rent. Because you have to make sure, say, your youth them good. You have to put them in front of yourself. It's just like the rent. You youth them is just like your rent. Them have to be in front of you at all time. Make sure, say, everything sort out. So, you know, see, them a sort you out or you sort out. Because them a sort out for them thing automatically out of your check. So, all your little plans them we did have. The female them now, we love do them nails and them ears. Ear style of a hat and, you know, which is right. If you keep up them feminine side. Only if you know, say, boy, you check bust down in a 3 different piece and you have to go cancel your nail and your ear this week and by next week rent that people are going to start rebel. So, I could just see how much of this Jamaican people are going to sit down and take for how long, right? And I could see how long the system are going to wait to treat the people them better. Or I could see even more interesting how long it will take us to wake up and realize that we in a big nightmare. Check what I say. We in a big nightmare. Somebody need to wake up because enough of we asleep. Enough man asleep to go on and I realize by the time you wake up and realize what go on, it's true to you live and then go to all change your name and tell us, say, yo, don't come back around it. So, I just say that for right now. No one's safe nowhere. And nothing is safe. Because the system is all about controlling and making sure, say, you stay in place. So, when costs like these come up, who you think are going to pay for it? Okay, so that's all that money going to come about by taxing hard-working people. You understand? So, I know the man will stand up on the corner and chill with the thugs them and, you know, do film thing differently. It's not going to really affect him. And the people them we are going to do them 9 to 5. We get up early in the morning and go home back late, sweaty, tired, frustrated, and have to get up back the next early morning to get back and repeat the same thing again. Only if you get treated at the end of the day like, say, boy, I rob, you get robbed. Intelligently, you get robbed. So, that not set right. That could have never set right with nobody. So when you see some people are rebel and talk their mind, before you judge them, just flip it on the flip side and put yourself in them shoes. So 1 second, and you see how dark you get. But if you got a store right now, you got a store right now, the shopkeeper try to rob you. Whoever overcharge you, however, you'll feel offensive and you'll feel cheat and you'll get cross, hungry and dark. And you will say, look how hard I work for my money, and you want to just take it like that. Then the same way, man. Even worse. This even worse because at least you have no control over this. At least you can say, yo, give me my money in a store and them have to give back your money. It's like all don't be excitement and drama and them have to give your things. But when this automatically draw from your check, it already been draw. I hit that. Just call it that day and say I hit that. So and I know only one thing I gonna occur. It's gonna be a chain reaction. Remember good no man. People make sure so you smash the like, hit that subscribe. Welcome to the channel. We have a lot of issues to discuss. Yeah. Slackness, on top of slackness. So we don't know what I go on. What kind of slackness I go on. That doesn't show you say even with bold situation right now, you work hard for your money but it's still not safe. And then you work hard for your money and them still take it from you. So either way you're gonna get robbed. People, big up on yourself, smash the like, share the content, fight the Gideon. It's on.